Some areas of the state this spring have been affected by hail. Some of those storms have been severe and damage has been done to the landscape. One of the first things that we need to do is check our trees for safety. Any broken or damaged limbs should be addressed immediately so they don't pose a problem down the road. If you need to get on a ladder or lift a chainsaw above your head, we do recommend that you call a certified arborist to help you with that job. As you start to move into the landscape, you want to make sure that all of your cutting tools are clean and sharp. This is going to make the job a little bit easier, and plants heal better from a clean cut versus a jagged cut. It's important to note that some of our plants could actually have a disease that we cannot see. So we would like for you to try to disinfect your pruners as you move from plant to plant, and you can use a 1 part bleach to 9 parts water solution to disinfect your cutting tools. Some of those diseases that we don't always see is Astor's yellow in the sunflower family and the Hosta X virus. When we start moving into the landscape, we need to look at the overall health of the plant. We want to try to keep as much leaf tissue intact for the plant to photosynthesize. This is going to aid in the recovery, and as the season progresses, you can slowly remove some of those broken or damaged leaves, or you can just leave them alone. Our trees and shrubs should be cleaned up, and we don't want to have any jagged edges or branches in the canopy. When we start to look at our vegetable garden, we want to ask ourselves, how patient are we? Tomatoes can make a quick recovery and start to regrow, but any damage that was done to the stem is a potential entry point for pathogens, so you may or may not want to replace those plants. Peppers, eggplants, and okra and other large leaf vegetables that have been stripped down to the stem, you may want to go ahead and replant those. We should have plenty of growing season ahead of us to get produce this summer. Our leafy greens, such as lettuce and spinach, we can actually replant those this August for a fall harvest, so that way we can enjoy that crop later on in the season. We want to help our plants. Our plants are stressed. It has been a stressful spring so far, but we should not fertilize our plants. Fertilizers can actually do more damage to the plant than good. But what we can do is make sure that the plants are properly mulched to help reduce weed competition, and when the rains stop, it will help with soil moisture retention. Hail can be damaging to the landscape, and it might be several years down the road before we know the true extent of that damage. But what we can do right now is gently clean up the garden, exercise some patience, and throw in a little bit of luck. Our plants should make a full recovery.